Hello, guys. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you all on how to prepare Edikangikong soup. So before we proceed, do well to click